Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Honda Accord. First, prioritize your safety by turning off the engine and engaging the parking brake. You will need a few basic tools, typically a 10mm wrench for battery terminals and a flathead screwdriver for clips. Most importantly, have your new headlight bulb on hand, and remember not to touch the glass part with your bare fingers to prevent premature failure. Now let's get to the bulb. Begin by opening your car's hood. Depending on which headlight bulb you are replacing, access can vary. For the driver's side low beam, you might need to remove the car battery, which usually involves loosening two terminals and a hold down. On the passenger side, you can often gain access by pulling back the fender well cover. For high beams, sometimes the coolant reservoir needs to be temporarily moved aside. With access clear, it is time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its retaining tab and gently wiggling it off. Next, grasp the bulb's base and twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it by its plastic base, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it locks securely into place. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical wiring harness until you hear a click. Before reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, reinstall any components you removed, like the battery or fender well cover, making sure all bolts and clips are securely fastened. Finally, close the hood, and you are all set with your new, bright headlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.